Welcome to today's video where we'll be shedding light on a valuable resource for seniors in New Jersey, the Senior Property Tax Freeze Program. If you're a senior and a homeowner in the state of New Jersey or are receiving disability benefits, this is a program that could provide financial relief. So let's explore how it works. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. To qualify for the Senior Property Tax Freeze Program, you need to meet specific eligibility criteria. Residency is one of them. You must have lived in your current home for at least 3 years. And there used to be a requirement for having lived in New Jersey for 10 years. That is getting phased out in 2023, which is great. It means that more people can apply to this program. The next requirement is income. It is income based. So for 2022, it's around $95,000. 2023, it's actually going up to $150,000. And this is either for a single person or married, it's the same amount. If you're disabled, if you're under 65 but are disabled and receiving disability benefits, you qualify for this as well. The application process, it is an every 2-year application. So mark it on your calendar as soon as you get the booklet, the blue book, apply. The process looks like as soon as you get the blue book, you get it from the Division of Taxing, apply. The deadline is October 31st. You need to fill out what's called a PTR-1 form. That's available online at your local tax office or the blue book. If you're born in 1957 or earlier, safe to say that you qualify to apply in 2023. So the program is essentially going to freeze your property taxes at a certain base year for the property tax year, meaning your taxes won't increase. Well, they'll increase, but you'll get reimbursement from the state, right? So this is a great benefit, and that's why it's important to apply as soon as you qualify so that you can lock in that base year. And anything additional, you'll get reimbursed. Here are some additional considerations for this program. If you're planning to sell your property and you go into a new home, you'll need to establish that base amount again. So you will qualify after 2 years of being in that property. If you own a multi-unit property and has a commercial space, if it has just one commercial space, you qualify. If it's more than that, you don't. If you're transferring your rights, perhaps for tax planning purposes, as long as you are the resident in that until you pass on, you do qualify. So that's a very strategic consideration. You will get asked for, birth certificate, disability award letter, and payment of your tax invoices as documentation. If there's a tax assessment happening in your town, it's definitely a great time to make sure that you apply once you're eligible, because that difference in potential increase in assessment will be reimbursed to you in the year that you qualify. So in conclusion, this is the Senior Property Tax Freeze Program, also known as PTR or Property Tax Reimbursement Program, can provide a much needed relief for seniors and those who are disabled in New Jersey. If you have any questions or need assistance with the application, there's a hotline available to help you at your state Division of Taxation program, and usually your local tax professional may be able to help you as well. Remember that if you're married, just only one person needs to qualify, not both people, right? But both incomes will be considered. Thank you for joining us today. We hope that this information helps you or a loved one navigate the Senior Property Freeze Program, which is a great benefit, with confidence. And remember, if you have any questions on this program or any other real estate related topics, feel free to reach out to me, Roro, via the contact information in the description provided, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.